One of the most important monuments of Constantinople, now modern-day Istanbul, is to be turned into a mosque. The plans by religious authorities add to growing concern of critics who argue Turkey's government is trying to impose Islamic values on the secular state. The monastery of Staudius, built around the 5th century, had a significant effect on religious, political, and cultural life. The basilica was converted into a mosque in 1481, and since then has sustained great damage from several fires and an earthquake in 1894. It was turned into a museum 67 years ago. The latest move comes as Turkey's Prime Minister Erdogan works to gel support ahead of next year's elections. The Deputy Prime Minister of Turkey recently outraged Greece when he said he wanted to convert the Hagia Sophia, a famous Byzantine monument, into a place of worship for Muslims. Critics argue mosques across the country already remain practically empty. There are an estimated 83,000 mosques in Turkey, up around 7% since Erdogan took office 11 years ago, according to AFP. Islamification is a big issue in Turkey. In late October, 4 female lawmakers from the Turkish government wore headscarves for the first time, indicating to secularists that the country's political compass is turning more towards Islam. Erdogan suggested last month the new plans could be drawn up to stop male and female students living together. Critics argued the new law would interfere in religious life. The leader of the AK party had earlier defended a law limiting the sale of alcohol. The recent reforms unwind the work of Mustafa Ataturk in the 1920s to create a nationalist movement, which took away the power of governance from religious leaders.